Welcome to the School of Health Sciences at Stockton University. We know you're very excited to begin registration, so we're going to give you some helpful information that will help you in that process. You must be one of the following majors. We have the Bachelor of Science in Health Science, which we refer to as BSHS. There are different concentrations within the BSHS program, which are pre-physical therapy, pre-occupational therapy, pre-communication disorders, and general. Now notice that we say pre because you're not in the physical therapy program or the occupational therapy program. You are taking the prerequisites that are required by most graduate programs. We also have a general concentration where many of our students are interested in nursing or physician assistant studies. So make sure you talk to your academic advisor to let them know what your career goals are. Our other Bachelor of Science we have in Public Health, and the concentrations within that are Health Administration and Community Health Education. And we also have a Bachelor of Science in Exercise Science. So we're all here to help you register for classes. Your major and your concentration will determine what courses you'll need to take. Please keep in mind that all freshmen must have the following courses within your first year at Stockton. A W course, which is a writing course, a Q course, which is a math course, and a freshman seminar. Your freshman seminar will be a course that you'll be in with other freshmen with similar interests, and the faculty member will get you familiar with Stockton and all the different offices that are here to support you. After you have chosen those 3 courses, you will then select a course from your major. Before we get started, you may have received a letter that is telling you the courses that you must take. Take out that letter and register for those courses first. Some students are required to take prescribed writing courses or math courses. These courses may count as your W, your Q, or your freshman seminar. A writing course is a W1. If you are placed into an FRST writing course, that is the writing course that you have to take. Other examples of W courses are listed here on the screen. If you do not take a writing course this semester, you need to take a Q course, which is a math course. If you're confident in your math skills, we recommend taking pre-calculus or statistics. If you feel like you need a little extra help with math, we recommend starting off with algebraic problem solving or intermediate algebra. If you were placed into developmental math or quantitative reasoning, then you must take those courses. Another thing to note is that there is a course in developmental math where you may have to take a math lab associated with the course. You'll see that at the bottom of the screen. You must enroll in the same section. So if you enroll in section 003, you must enroll in the lab 003 as well. Okay, let's pause for a moment. It's a lot of information. Now you should have registered for 3 courses: your writing course, your math course, and your freshman seminar. There are some exceptions to this rule. If you're considering the 3+3 option for physical therapy, you want to make sure that you take 2 lab sciences every semester. So you will register for biology and chemistry. Please let your advisor know that that is the option that you are interested in. Now you can register for a course in your major. Make sure to refer to your DegreeWorks audit, which is a roadmap of courses that you are required to take to graduate. The next slide will go over some options by major. You can also review curriculum worksheets on the School of Health Sciences webpage. If you are interested in accelerated nursing, make sure to review the required courses for that program. You will need those courses in order to apply. Here are the courses in your major. If you're a health science student, that means BSHS, you can take Intro to Health Science, Medical Terminology. If you're in the pre-communication disorders concentration, we recommend Health 1103, which is A&P of the speech and hearing mechanism. And if you're pre-PT, we recommend taking biology and chemistry. For exercise science, we have Principles of Health Behavior, First Aid, CPR, and Athletic Training, or Chemistry and Biology. For public health, We recommend Intro to Public Health or Contemporary Health Issues. Make sure to talk with your advisor and we'll be here to help you. If the courses in your major are already full, then you consider taking a general studies course. You will need 8 of these courses to graduate, and they may have nothing to do with your major. So you can use these courses to pick something that interests you, or maybe you could choose a minor. You can search for these in the search bar using the acronyms listed. Another course option is called At Some Distance. At Some Distance is a course that has nothing to do with your major, but it might be something that interests you. So for example, you might take a class in dance or marine biology, philosophy, or sociology. In the fall, you'll be assigned a preceptor. Your preceptor will help you with academic advising, registration for future courses, career options, and other important decisions about your future. Stockton closes the university 2 days a semester for you to meet with your preceptor, so make sure you attend those valuable meetings. Keep in mind that many of the clinical fields require you to complete graduate school in order to work in that field. Some of the things that graduate schools look at are your GPA, your observation hours or volunteer work, or required courses that you need to apply. So keep that in mind. I know you're just a freshman right now, but you may need to look at what graduate schools require to make sure that you're on the right track. So be sure to work with your preceptor. Other things to keep in mind, when you're registering for classes, you may run into some errors. The most common errors that we see are major restriction, prerequisite error, or co-requisite error. Certain classes are restricted to certain majors, so you might run into that error. A prerequisite is a course that you need to take before registering for that course. And a co-requisite is a course that you have to take at the same time of the course that you're trying to register for. We also have wait lists available for courses, so ask your advisor or your faculty member to assist you in signing up for the wait list. Now that you are done registering, please go to the Go portal and go to your Student Services tab. On the left-hand side, scroll down to complete your emergency contact information. Also, please complete the text alert contact information with your cell phone so that you will get a notice via text message if the school is closed. Then to view your bill, you can go to the Bursars tab.